Hi guys, my name is Professor Holy Rock and I want to show you how to use your NFT, how to withdraw, okay? I want to show you how to withdraw. A lot of persons have been asking how to withdraw. So I want to show you now. Now, let's go to our NFT portal. Let's go to our NFT portal. You click your Chrome. Just click the Chrome. So I want to show you how to withdraw your money. So you see this place, it says go to free. Now you see in this place, now we have 19 NFT here. You see 19 NFT. You see 19. Now to withdraw, you go here. Here. You see it. You go here. Okay. So click there. Now you will see, and let me pass this, please. If when you want to register, don't register on your own. Register with somebody's link. What I notice is those who just register on their own, that refuse to use someone else's link, they don't have the kind of opportunity the people who use a link to sign up have. Okay, so please always use, there's a benefit when you use somebody else's link. I'm sure you also want somebody to use your own link. Why not use someone? I'm not telling you to use my own link. It's not a must, but look for somebody's link to use. Some of the things you are seeing here, if you just sign up on your own, you will not see it. You will not enjoy. So that's what I discovered. So, but that is by the way. So you see this place, withdrawal. Let me show you. You see here, withdrawal. Now I want to withdraw. Although I don't want to withdraw, but I want to show you how you will withdraw. So you click on withdraw. You see how it is. I've just clicked on withdraw. Wow. So it is showing ad. So click on close ad. Let me show you that. You see here, or anywhere you see close ad. So you click on close ad. So it and then hold on. It will open. So I don't want this video to be too long. So please just open fast. So okay, good. So some people are asking questions in the group. Now you see here, somebody asked, let me see the question. Let me look at the other phone. Somebody is asking here, he say, please, I don't understand much here. How do I withdraw? So I'm showing you now how to withdraw. Then the person also asked, must I have a crypto or Bitcoin wallet to withdraw? No, it's not a must that you must have a crypto or Bitcoin wallet. But see this place now, payment. You click here. Now, but it's a must that you must have everything they have shown you here. If you don't want to use a crypto or Bitcoin wallet, then you see that you have a PayPal. They need to have a PayPal, okay? Or bank transfer, PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all this, okay? All this, Amazon Pay. So, but me, for this video, I want to use USD SDT TRC20. Please note there's a difference between this and this. This is different, this is different. So don't see because it is TRC, it is USDT and you. So now I want to use this one, okay? So I go to my, so you, if you have your PayPal, go ahead and use your PayPal, your Payoneer, your Bitcoin, but I want to use this one, TRC20 USD. So I go to my Binance, okay? So I go to where I have my Binance. I open my Binance app. I click on wallet. You see here, wallet. I click on wallet. So I want to get my USDT address. So because I want to withdraw, I will click on deposit. Okay, I click on deposit. That's which is this now. Okay, I want to deposit into this place from the NFT to this place. So it is in crypto. You see here, crypto. So now USDT. I click on USDT. See, yes, because I've been withdrawing. So I click there. You see it now. TRC20. You see, it says choose network. Okay, so now you see all these are networks. You can choose any of these two, but what I want is TRC20. This one, you see, they are TRC20. So I copy. So I click there. I click on it now. It will bring me the wallet. Okay, so see the address now. So I will click on this place. It will copy. Okay, so I click on it, copy. So I go there again. Don't forget I copied through on TRC20. So that is it. So I come here. So where I want to withdraw, and I click on this TRC20. I click here. Okay, I click here TRC20. Now you see it now. It has now shown TRC. You see it. Before it wasn't showing this. So now because I want to use that, so it is now showing TRC20 USDT. So I now click here. I click here and I paste that link I copied from my Binance or Binance, depending on how you call it. You see it there? It is now showing. So I enter. Let's say I have up to 500 NFT. So, but it's not up to. So if I click on confirm now, it will not go. Okay, it will not go. It will not go. So I just want to show you. So if your own withdrawal limit is 300, but you should have more than 300. If you want to withdraw 300 NFTs, make sure you have more than that, because they will charge you. Okay, so if let's say you want to withdraw 300 NFT, which is your limit, make sure you have up to 320. Just have the other one just in case. Okay, but if you are in the business or unlimited, you can withdraw 100 NFT, but make sure you have extra NFTs. Okay, don't be greedy, just have. So now then when you put that, you click here, you click on confirm. Okay, and it will show you successful. Okay, and it will show here, you see wallet address, all these things. Once you click on confirm, those things will show you the date you withdraw, the amount, all these things will show here. Okay, and then after 1 week, so this is now done. Okay, so after 1 week, it will be converted. From that time, the process will continue. So I click on. So in your wallet, after 1 week, 1 week is what they use to convert those things with. If you're been online for some time, some use 1 month, but this one uses 1 week. So you will now see it. Let's say now what you're seeing here is $14.61. After 1 week, you come here. Let's say you move 500 NFT. So what you'll be seeing here will be 500 and something NFTs, and sorry, $514. That is money, and you didn't put your own money. So this is good. So but don't forget to always spin. So let me go and spin. I think it's time for me to. So that is how to withdraw. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you will be ask your questions. I will do a video to answer you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so when you subscribe, what you are telling anybody that you watch their video and you like it is thank you. You and I may not see face to face, but when you subscribe, when you comment, when you share, you're telling us thank you for helping you to answer your questions. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, please. I beg you, subscribe. So that's how to tell me thank you. So I go to click on go to free. I want to check if my 1 hour has expired, so that I can spin again. I click on the close ad. So please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. Please share it, recommend it to your friend. Okay, now see my 1 hour has expired, so I want to spin again. So this is all you do. Every 1 hour, come here and spin. That's also a spin. So wait for some time, it will begin to spin, and I wish you to just give me 500 NFT now. I will just show you how to withdraw it live. Yeah. Two. So you see the two now. You see this two, it gave me two now. You see, it gave me two. So, and this is the two showing here now. You see it, you see it, it's here, you see it. And it has also shown up here. When I go, you see the money immediately showing here. So I want to end this video now. You see it here. You see that this has increased. You see it. So my name is Professor Holy Rock. I love to teach people how to make money, how to find it easy, because we all need money. Okay, no matter how small, let's learn how to make money. Okay, in a easy way. So please, I want to end this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe when I see your subscription. I know that you're telling me thank you. So see you next time. So that is how to withdraw your NFT. That is how to withdraw. Okay. So catch you, Professor Holy Rock.